Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to deal with fisheries, one chapter in this strategies for enhancement in food production. Fisheries are called the food hub of countries, especially in India. So, fisheries are establishments connected with the catching, rearing, processing, and selling of fish. इनको तैयार करना, इनको बनाना, इनको ये इसके साथ कनेक्ट है, इनकी कैचिंग के साथ इनको पकड़ना, इनको पालना, इनका प्रोसेस करना और इनको फिर बेचना. शेल fishes and other aquatic animals. Fin fishery is capture, management and exploitation of cartilaginous fish, bony fishes, cartilaginous and bony fishes. Shell fishery is catching, processing and exploitation of crustaceans, crabs, prawns, lobsters and mollusks, mussels and oysters. Capture fishery is catching and exploitation of fish in natural waters without seeding the same. Cultural fishery is also called pisciculture. Is cultivating, rearing, and harvesting of fish. Related to pisciculture, in agriculture, apiculture is growing and harvesting of aquatic organisms, plants, shell, fishes, finches, and other animals with different types of water bodies, fresh, brackish, and coastal waters. Let's have a difference between pisciculture and apiculture. It is growing of all types of aquatic organisms in water. What aquaculture? While as pisciculture, it is growing of only food fish and related food animals in water bodies. Number second, there is little requirement of special food from outside. Fish feed has to be provided from outside. A number of economically important substances can be obtained from this aquaculture. It yields only food items. What pisciculture? So this was the difference between aquaculture and pisciculture. So pisciculture is the term which is used for rearing, processing, catching, and selling of fish. Depending upon all the types of water, fisheries are of three types: marine fisheries, brackish water, estuarine fisheries, and freshwater fisheries. Common marine fish are hilsa, sardine, mackerel, salmon, and pomfret. Common freshwater fish food items of India are katla, rohu, common carp. So farmers of coastal areas as inland have started the culture of fisheries as many places. The present practice is to grow up to 6 species in the same pond. It's called a composite culture. Katla and silver crop on surface, rohu in middle, grass carp, mergil and common carp at bottom. All of them have different feeding habits. Their spawn are made available throughout the year by induced breeding called hypophyosation, in which gonadotropin hormones FSH, LH, synthetic hormone, oviparum, ovidid, nova or pituitary extract are provided to the mature fish. Because of the fish farming and use of advanced techniques of fish catching in sea, the fish harvesting in India has reached 7.8 million tons, about 3.21 million tons from sea and 4.66 million tons from the inland waters. Enhanced fish availability is called blue revolution. Similar increase in milk output is called white revolution. Egg production and silver revolution, while enhanced from the output, is known as the green revolution. So this was all about the fishes. Tomorrow in the next lecture we will deal the disease of fishes. Then in the other lectures. Thank you for watching.